Today we're showcasing 20 construction tools that demonstrate just how smart and powerful modern building technology has become. A few of these might genuinely surprise you. Optimas Weed Brush. The Optimas Weed Brush removes weeds and dirt without chemicals using a powerful 75-centimeter hydraulic disc brush. With adjustable tilt and side shift, it delivers strong edge cleaning while the protection cloth keeps stones and debris under control. Fluo TP. Fluo TP Marking Spray is a bright, eco-friendly solution for clear, temporary markings on construction sites. With high visibility, strong adhesion, and resistance to wear, it performs reliably on any surface, even in wet or sub-zero conditions. RUBI SR1. The RUBI SR1 ergonomic seat improves comfort and safety for floor-level work, combining adjustable ergonomics, a strong aluminum structure, smooth mobility, and built-in storage to reduce strain on knees and back, reflecting RUBI's focus on professional performance and health. Sheet Closer. The Sheet Closer is a compact, force-saving tool that delivers fast and precise seam closing on flashings, parapets, and wall coverings, helping roofing professionals work cleaner, quicker, and with better results. Mini Screed Connect. The Mini Screed Connect makes perfect paving beds in one smooth pass. Lightweight, stable, and easy to use, it delivers professional leveling fast on any paving site. A smart, low-cost helper that saves time and effort on every job. Vacuum Pallet Mobil E. The Vacuum Pallet Mobil E combines pallet transport and vacuum lifting in one powerful electric machine. With long battery life and precise handling, it moves heavy pallets and places stone elements effortlessly for faster, cleaner work on site. Concrete Pipe Lifter. The Concrete Pipe Lifter enables safe and precise handling of steel-reinforced concrete pipes using a secure mechanical clamp. It simplifies unloading, transport, and installation while improving safety and efficiency on site. Tile Cutter. This lightweight tile cutter weighs under 5 pounds and delivers clean, precise cuts with ease. It features quick angle adjustment from 0 to 45 degrees and handles tiles up to 37 by 37 centimeters straight or 25 by 25 centimeters diagonally. Sigma Grinding Disc. The Sigma Grinding Disc is a long-life diamond cutting and grinding solution built for speed and precision. With a fully diamond-coated crown, it delivers clean, jolly edges, fast removal, and consistent professional results with Sigma equipment. MiTOWER Plus. The MiTOWER Plus is a compact mobile access tower designed for fast and safe assembly by just one person. With a larger platform for 2 users, strong stability features, and easy transport, it delivers secure access up to 8 meters with maximum efficiency on site. Huth's Rod Bracket Bender. The Huth 985 Rod Bracket Bender is a compact yet powerful add-on that turns any Huth bender into a versatile bracket and rod forming tool. It allows fast in-house production of muffler hangers, hooks, and metal components, saving time, money, and outsourcing costs. Foam Table Saw. The foam table saw delivers clean, precise cuts on sponge mineral wool and polyurethane boards using a durable heated wire with no gas or fumes. More stable than standard foam saws, it features a foot pedal and fixing device for safe, hands-free, accurate cutting, making it ideal for DIY users and upholstery shops. KD 5340. The KD 5340 is a lightweight cordless troweling machine built for smooth and powerful finishing of gypsum, lime cement, and clay plasters. With a brushless motor balance design and clear sight handle, it delivers uniform results and effortless control on walls, facades, and concrete surfaces. Angle grinder dust extraction. The angle grinder dust extraction attachment removes dust at the source while keeping the cutting line clearly visible. Designed to fit 100 to 125 millimeter angle grinders, it connects easily to most vacuums for cleaner, safer cutting. Tile Square Laser. The Preciso Tile Square Laser delivers fast and accurate tile alignment with bright green crossbeams visible up to 20 meters. Built tough with simple one-button operation, it ensures precise square layouts and professional results every time. Lance Tube Feeder. The 2X LTC Lance Tube Feeder offers versatile hose handling with a modular design for easy maintenance and conversion. For higher performance, the TLX series delivers ultralight strength and powerful feeding in one compact system. Stainless Steel Banding Kit. The stainless steel banding kit delivers strong, corrosion-resistant fastening for demanding jobs. Made from 304 stainless steel and packed in a portable, self-dispensing case, it offers easy, secure strapping for construction, industrial, and outdoor applications. THERMO Brick. THERMO Brick is a carbon-reinforced styrofoam brick system that provides built-in thermal insulation for all terrain. It simplifies construction by eliminating extra insulation while delivering long-term energy efficiency and cost savings. Drilling device. The drilling device is a precision drill jig from Pitzel Metalbau used to guide a drill bit straight and accurately when drilling holes. It helps keep the drill aligned and stable for consistent results in heavy timber, beams, structural connections, or any application requiring precise hole placement. Mortar Ceramics Applicator. The Mortar Ceramics Applicator is a productivity-boosting tool that applies tile mortar evenly and quickly, replacing manual troweling and helping ensure consistent mortar thickness with fewer air gaps under tiles. It accepts a wide range of ceramic sizes and features a mortar reservoir and guides that let you push tiles into place with controlled coverage for faster, professional results on flooring projects. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it, learned something new, and don't forget to stay with the Chop Busters for more interesting tools and ideas.